24 hours in a day, and I get to do math, hey hooray. Y equals mx plus b with Mr. Ang. We're making history.
Good morning, Rebels. This is Monday,
September 16th, and this is your week at a glance. Hey, Stats students, people say a lot of things in anger. It is our choice whether or not to listen to them, says Mrs. Potts from Beauty and the Beast. This is the grid view to navigate slides, including how to turn in light work. Mr. Frank, it's that time.
It's time for game plans.
Week 7, September 16th, September 20th, 2024. We're going to moving on to basic spreadsheets. 27th day of school, 64% of first quarter is done, 30% of first semester is done, and 15% of the school year is done. Attendance, remember you get 1 point for being here, 0.5 for tardies, and 0 points for absences. And you get a bonus if you just make it 80% of the time. I'm going to drop your lowest quiz score. Get your detentions erased, especially if you're being late. You can attend one of my clubs. And Coursera, you can always submit late work for a late Coursera check. Adjustment on subscribers, so based off the numbers we have now, we're trying to get to 1024. Let's go into some school news. Back to school night is this Wednesday. Here's the schedule. I'll be in my classroom from 6:05 to 7:50 p.m. So please send your parents, or if you just want to drop by and say hi, and there is virtual tutoring. And this is what we did last week. We took a quiz on Friday and we turned in your notes. Not feeling too great. It's Monday, so you're going to watch this week at a glance, complete the Google form. And these PV legs and questions on your data conversation project, they are due at the end of the period. If you guys finish early today, you guys can do the data conversation Google Slides, and they're 7.5. This week we'll start 2.3. We'll have next week to finish, and then hopefully we can talk to someone live so you can see what a data conversation looks like. Let's take a field trip to Cadence. Okay, so course 2, WAG 7, you have the Google Slides here. This is the 3 questions that you should come completing. In PV legs, before you actually conduct your data conversation, we just need to get better. So go ahead and find one article and one video and post your link here. Tell us about some ways that you can improve. And what were some suggestions that you found very helpful? Okay, you also complete this Google form. It's potential interview candidates. So just go through, you're starting to think about people, their titles. Feel free to use your phone to reach out to people during class on Monday and Tuesday, because you're going to have to talk to them. So those 2 are due by the end of the period. And then if you can start working on your Google Slides, I push you guys really hard so that you can start these Google Slides. So start filling that out. You can export it out to something nicer, but you just need to have those basic slides in there. And then on Friday, we'll complete this discussion when I talk to someone about just data. Hope that was helpful for you guys. Don't be concerned about what other people think. We'll see you later. Bye.
That's all for today, Rebels. Have a mathematical Monday.
Mathematics includes the study of quantity, structure, space, and change. Math can be so complex it could be considered strange. So strange equations could be rearranged. Don't even get me started on fractions. To multiply them, it's going to take a lot of action. But math can be simple. All it takes is practice. Your brain is like a muscle. Make sure it's active.